Good morning, student. My name is Dado sir. My teaching subject is physics. तर आपल्याला फिजिक्स मधला पाचवा चॅप्टर आपल्याला घ्यावयाचा आहे आणि त्याचं नाव आहे ऑसिलेशन्स. ऑसिलेशन्स ला मराठीमध्ये दौलन किंवा आंदोलन असं म्हणतात. तर ऑसिलेशनचे आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल घेता येईल. ऑसिलेशनचे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये मोशन ऑफ पेंडुलम on a wall in a clock, motion of guitar, up and down motion of a needle in sewing machine. These are the examples of oscillations. Next, we have to explanation of periodic motion. Now, what is the periodic motion? Periodic motion is the motion which repeats equal interval of time. Example of periodic motion are motion of hand of a clock, motion of moon round the earth, motion of earth round the sun, vibrating string. These are the examples of periodic motion. Next point is linear simple harmonic motion. Linear simple harmonic motion is a periodic motion of a body in which force and acceleration are directed towards mean position or equilibrium position, and its magnitude is directly proportional to displacement from mean position. परत एकदा डेफिनेशन आपण लिनियर एसेशन पाहू. Linear acceleration is defined as a periodic motion of a body in which force and acceleration are directed towards mean position or equilibrium position, and its magnitude is directly proportional to displacement from mean position. To have to explain from figure, take down figure. This is the rectangular block. This is the spring. On this rectangular block, this rectangular block is placed on a horizontal, smooth, frictionless surface. This is the frictionless surface. This is the spring. This is the rigid wall. Rectangular block. Place a rectangular block on a horizontal, smooth, frictionless surface. One end of spring is attached to rigid wall, or it is also called as rigid support, and the other end of spring is attached to rectangular block. Figure A is stretched. Figure B relaxed. And figure C is compressed. तो फिगर मध्ये बी हे जी फिगर आहे ते फिगर मीन पोझिशनला आहे किंवा त्याला म्हणता येईल आपल्याला इक्विलिब्रियम पोझिशन मध्ये आहे. ज्यावेळेस मीन पोझिशन मध्ये ब्लॉक आपण राईट साइडला पुल केला आणि तो ब्लॉक रिलीज केला, त्यावेळेस हा ब्लॉक जो आहे तो ब्लॉक मीन पोझिशनच्या लेफ्ट साइडला मीन पोझिशनच्या राईट साइडला मूव्ह होतो. आणि त्याच आपल्याला म्हणता येईल टू अँड फ्रो मोशन. Figure B is relaxed, that is mean position. spring does not exert on a block or force in this mean position F is equal to 0, when block is displaced to right side from mean position, then spring exerts a force on a block is directed towards mean position. Means force is directed towards mean position. In figure C, compressed means uncushioned. In this, particles are very close to each other. When rectangular block is displaced towards left side from mean position, then spring exerts a restoring force on a block is directed towards mean position. That is right side. X is a displacement. X is a displacement and F is called as a restoring force. Then we are write as F is equal to minus kx. Negative sign indicates that force and displacement are oppositely directed. Means the direction of force and displacement are opposite. When rectangular block is pulled right side and released, then restoring force exerts on a spring accelerated towards mean position. That is by Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. From this equation, we have to calculate A is equal to F by m. Put the value of F is equal to minus kx in the equation of acceleration. A is equal to minus kx divided by m. A is equal to minus into bracket k divided by m into x. From this equation, we can clearly conclude that acceleration is directly proportional to displacement. Negative sign indicates that the direction of acceleration and displacement are oppositely directed. Then we have to explain the differential equation of linear system. Differential equation of linear system. What is the definition of linear system? Linear system is defined as a periodic motion of a body in which force and acceleration are directed towards mean position and its magnitude is directly proportional to displacement. From this, we are write as differential equation of linear SHM. SHM means simple harmonic motion. By the definition of linear SHM, we write as restoring force F is equal to minus Kx. K is a force constant, X is a displacement, and F is a restoring force. By Newton's second law, F is equal to N into A, equation number 2. Put equation 2 in equation 1, we get Ma is equal to minus Kx, equation number 3. We know velocity. What is the velocity? Velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement per unit time. Velocity is denoted by v. By the definition of velocity, v is equal to dx by dt. Equation number 4. Then acceleration. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, and it is denoted by small a. By the definition of acceleration, we write as a is equal to dv by dt. Equation number 5. From this equation 5, we have to write as put the value of equation 4 in equation 5. V is equal to dx by dt. Put equation 4 in equation 5, we get acceleration A is equal to d by dt of the value of velocity is dx by dt. dx by dt. What writes acceleration A is equal to d square x divided by dt square. Equation number 6. Put the value of acceleration, that is equation 6, in equation 3 we get, means put equation 6 in equation 3 we get m into a is equal to minus kx. This is the equation 3. M into a is a d square x divided by dt square is equal to minus k into x. ये value k च्या डिवाइड मध्ये जाईल, भागाकाराशी जाईल. d square x divided by dt square is equal to minus k by m into x. minus k by m into x. हे लेफ्ट साइडला आल्यानंतर मायनस वर प्लस होईल आणि इक्वेशन d square x divided by dt square plus k by m into x is equal to 0. Put k by m is equal to omega square. आता ओमेगा म्हणजे माहिती आहे आपल्याला, ओमेगा म्हणजे अँगुलर वेलोसिटी. पुस्तकामध्ये चुकीचं दिलेलं आहे. अँगुलर वेलोसिटी लिहिण्यापेक्षा पुस्तकामध्ये अँगुलर फ्रिक्वेन्सी लिहिलेलं आहे. फ्रिक्वेन्सी हे बरोबर नाही आहे. ओमेगा म्हणजे अँगुलर वेलोसिटी. पुट दिस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ k ओमेगा स्क्वेअर d स्क्वेअर x divided by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of linear SHM. पाठीमागच्या गेलेल्या परीक्षेमध्ये linear SHM, define linear SHM and write down the differential equation of linear SHM 3 मार्काला क्वेश्चन विचारला होता. डेफिनेशनला 1 मार्क आहे आणि डेरिव्हेशनला 2 मार्क्स आहेत.